Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to connect the My Mazda app. We're going to be using an iPhone here. So, alright, so what I want you to do is I want you to go to Apple Store, go to the App Store, and you're going to download My Mazda. Yep, the first one right there. You're going to scroll down. Nope, not that one. Scroll down. You're going to see as it comes up, it's going to be the My Mazda app right there. So once you get that done, you're going to you're going to open it up. Now what you're going to do is when you get it, it's going to say United States English, hit confirm at the bottom, hit OK. You're going to allow while using app. Go and hit allow for sending you notifications. And when the screen comes up, you're going to hit OK. Then you're going to go to sign up if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, then you can go and you can actually log in. So go ahead and click details. From here, what you're going to do is it's going to come up with the terms and conditions. You can read through that. And then there's a little box down at the bottom. It says I agree. Once you're all done with that, you're going to click the I agree over there. And then hit agree. Hit details. Next, it's going to come with a privacy policy. Again, you can read through it if you want. You're going to hit the agree and agree at the bottom. And what this is going to want you to do is it's going to want you to enter your email. So go ahead and enter your email. Once you enter the email, it's going to send you a code. So you're going to wait for that. You're going to go into your email. It should be sending you a code now. And you're going to enter the code that came through your email. You're going to hit verify. You're going to hit next because it just verified your email. Next, now you're going to enter your mobile number. Now with that, it's going to send you a code. You can go ahead and hit the verification thing at the bottom. Right there, yep. And it should pop up. It'll verify. Go ahead and next. Now what you're going to do is you're going to create a password. It's going to want you to create a password, and also it's going to want you to confirm that password. When you do that, at the bottom it's going to say register. You're going to hit that register. You're going to hit OK because it says you're welcome to My Mazda. You're going to hit enable. Go ahead and hit allow because it's going to ask you for facial ID, so that way you can always just log in using your facial ID, which is fantastic. You're enabling it. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to hit continue. Just go ahead and just share all 1102. What that does is just make it so you can get into your screen here. Now what you're going to want to do here is it's going to want to fill out information. What's nice is my customer here, which is actually one of my sales managers, he already has his information in there, which is absolutely fantastic. We're going to make sure, and we're going to hit submit. We're going to hit OK, saying that you are registered. At this point, you're going to add vehicle. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to scan your VIN. Now there's two ways of doing this. You can enter your VIN manually, or you can scan it. This barcode for your VIN is actually located right outside your driver's door in the door frame. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead next on its phone. It's going to ask you to want to scan the VIN. So you're going to scan. You're going to try, there's little bars inside there. You're going to try to get it lined up there. All right, go ahead and hit next. It already scanned the code. You're going to hit validate at the bottom, and you're going to hit next because it's saying it is available. Now on this screen, what you're going to do is it's going to come up. If you don't have your location services set up, you're going to obviously want to type in the zip code for Smell Mazda, which is 15601. You're going to click on Smell Mazda, hit submit. Go ahead and enroll. We're going to start the connected services enrollment. So at this point, this again, terms and conditions. Go ahead and agree, scroll, hit it again there, agree, and at the bottom, agree. We're going to hit close. Now we're going to hit enroll up here on the vehicle. And now they want you to turn on the ignition. At this point, this is when you can get in the car and start the car. We already have it on, so we're going to just hit next. We're going to get back in while we wait for 30 seconds while it's going. Now when the countdown is done, what we're going to do is we're going to hit request, and once that's to send the code. Okay, so now the connectivity is complete. So we're going to hit the X up here. We're going to request. Now what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this screen where it says enter authorization code, and a screen will pop up here. Obviously this screen, this authorization code, you're going to actually type that in. You're going to hit next or submit. Your car is now connected. Here you can set the prime your notifications if you want. If not, you're going to hit next. Go and hit next. and you are now connected. And this is your premium owner's benefits. You can read through that, or you can skip and continue later. So right now, you are now connected. So from that point, all you can do is you can actually get out and test your automatic start, which is you step out, make sure your car's locked, have both keys out, and all you gotta do is let your finger go a whole rotation around. You're gonna have this bar make a full rotation, hit the OK, and then it will say it was sent a code. You hit that, and your vehicle should start within a couple seconds. And you're then done. You can unlock, lock, you have your hazard lights, and also your panic button. So in this also you can schedule your service. You can also look at the status of your vehicle with your fuel, your odometer, and your driving range. You can also request help if you want roadside assistance, or you can contact Mazda. And also you can search for any kind of details if you're looking for parts for your car. You can stop in at our showroom located off of Route 30 at Smell Mazda, or you can visit us online at smellmazda.com.